Here we are, buddy.
All right.
Mr. Allen, that southerly wind.
My fuel gun. It's right here.
We're gonna miss you, Ray.
Enjoy the heat, my friend.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
What was that?
Do you have that on film?
Did you get that?